Fuck is a cone? Oh, fuck! No, my man!
This is some Mexican engineering, bro. Look.
Okay, let's just check the oil. Oh, snaps! Okay, now let's check the engine.
Just picked up my new wheel. Just got my new wheels.
So customer states door handle wobbles when locking and unlocking the door. Let's see this.